What does the future of smartphones look like? The answer might just lie in the iPhone 15, a device that pushes the envelope of what we thought possible. Today, we're diving into the details of this revolutionary smartphone. First up, the iPhone 15 introduces 5G connectivity. This isn't just a step forward, it's a leap. With 5G, you can experience internet speeds that make your online interactions as smooth as silk. Streaming, gaming, or just browsing, it's all seamless with 5G. The iPhone 15 is unlocked for all carriers, giving you the freedom to choose any network service provider. This flexibility is a game changer, offering convenience like never before. The smartphone operates on iOS, Apple's intuitive and user-friendly environment. With its robust security features and seamless integration with other Apple products, the iOS experience is one that stands unrivaled. Storage concerns? Not with the iPhone 15. With a whopping 128 GB storage capacity, there's ample space for all your apps, photos, videos, and more. Never again will you have to struggle with deleting old memories to make room for new ones. Next, we step into the realm of connectivity with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3. These latest wireless technologies ensure fast and reliable connections, whether you're syncing your devices or streaming your favorite shows. The iPhone 15 isn't just about functionality, it's also about style. The device sports a sleek design in a mesmerizing blue color. This isn't just a phone, it's a reflection of your personality, a statement piece that stands out in the crowd. The iPhone 15 boasts a 6.1-inch display, offering a vibrant and detailed visual experience. Whether you're gaming, streaming your favorite series, or working on the go, the expansive screen ensures a rich and immersive experience. Finally, we have the USB Type-C connector. This isn't just about plugging in your device, it's about embracing the future. With faster charging and data transfer speeds, the USB Type-C is a testament to the convenience and efficiency that the iPhone 15 promises. In summary, the iPhone 15 is a device that doesn't just keep up with the times, it defines them. With its 5G connectivity, unlocked carrier options, iOS operating system, 128 GB storage, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, sleek blue design, 6.1-inch display, and USB Type-C connector, the iPhone 15 is truly a smartphone of the future. It's not just about having a phone, it's about experiencing technology in its most elegant and innovative form. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the iPhone 15. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on the latest tech trends and reviews from brand Apple.